I literally used to be just like you. I couldn't find any winning products, and that's because I didn't know what a winning product was, and I also didn't know how to validate one either. So I would just go around and I would test products that I thought were cool or something that I thought would sell, and that's just the wrong way to go about it. You need to make data-driven decisions if you want to start finding winners. And that's exactly why I even started this series in the first place, giving you guys the top 5 winning dropshipping products that you can sell each and every single month. And this month is no different. I got 5 banger products ready for you guys that you can start selling here in July 2024. So I hope you're ready to get right into the value. I don't want to waste up any more of your time, but I would greatly appreciate it if really quick you can go ahead and drop a like in the video and subscribe to the channel. I also have this dope Discord community that I hope each and every single one of you guys will join. It's full of a bunch of like-minded entrepreneurs like yourself who are also on their dropshipping journey. So if you want somewhere where you can network and learn for free, feel free to go down to the description and sign up for my free dropshipping Discord server. And without further ado, let's hop right into product number 1. Hopping into product number 1, we have this dog splash pad. Now, I saw this product on TikTok. It was going crazy, just the dog having a great time splashing through the water. But yes, this is a great product to sell right now because we're in summertime and it's hot as hell outside, okay? So as you can see, there's a ton of high quality images that you can go ahead and use on your site. One thing I really love about this product is, one, it's a low cost of goods. So I think you're getting this for around $11. I saw on my supplier around $9 to $10. So you can easily sell this for about $30. But also there's a ton of different marketing angles that you can do for this product as well, because yes, it shows a dog, running through the splash pad, but it can also be sold to kids or to parents who have kids who need, something to occupy their kids during the summertime. So whatever angle you want to do, both of them will work. So again, you're going to be getting this product for $11.27. You can easily sell this for $29.99. With a chance for you to be able to upsell, which I'll talk about here in a second. It has a 4.7 star rating, 156 sold. It comes in a blue color, and where you can really make more money is on the actual size of the splash pad. So there's 3 different sizes, 100 centimeters, 150, 170, and depending on which one you choose, obviously the price goes up. So this gives you an opportunity to be able to upsell your customers on a larger splash pad. So here's a video ad that I found for this product. It just says introducing the dog sprinkler pad, and you can just see a bunch of dogs having a great time. Like, this product is perfect for TikTok, and if you have a pet at home and actually can order one of these for yourself, you can make some crazy cool content with this, and I believe that you will have no problems selling this type of product. So here's the competitor's website, and per usual, it's pretty bad. And the reason why I say per usual is because I have a hard time sometimes finding a good competitor for the products that I show, and it's because 99% of dropshippers don't really know what they're doing and don't know how to make a high converting store, high converting ads, etc. So if you're watching my guides, my tutorials on this YouTube channel, you should have no problem being able to make a better store than this. So as you can see, they have I don't even know what the hell the name of the store is. It's just LL. Okay, cool. It's dog water pool. They have a bunch of emojis. You never want to do this. They do have some price breaks here, so that way you can save if you buy more than one. They do have some high quality gifts, as you can see, the dogs, messing around with the splash pad. So they kind of understand a little bit of what they're doing, but the description's just all over the place. And again, you can make something way better than this. So yeah, I definitely wouldn't shy away from this product. Again, it has a low cost of goods. It's very brandable, and we're in summertime. So this is the peak time to be able to sell a product like this. With every dropshipping product that you test, you're gonna need a reliable supplier. A supplier that can handle a lot of order volume, a supplier that will handle all the fulfillment for you, so uploading of any tracking numbers, etc. And also a supplier that has faster shipping times than AliExpress and has great quality control, because the last thing that you wanna do is send out cheap products and get a bunch of chargebacks. And I have the answer for you. This is AutoDS, the supplier that I use for majority of my dropshipping businesses. And the reason why I love them is, again, they have fast shipping times. Like, look at some of the shipping times. 1 business day, 2 business days, 3 business days. This is literally the product I just showed you, 2 business days. Another great thing about AutoDS is that it's also a product research tool. So there's no need to have a million different softwares when everything is all in one. So let me show you what I'm talking about. So if you come over to the marketplace section, you have 3 different options: handpicked products, AdSpy, and trending products. All 3 of these are different ways to be able to find winning products. My favorite is the AdSpy portion. So this basically gives you the TikTok Creative Center, but 20 times better, okay? So if you come over to the TikTok portion, you can filter by keyword, likes, call to action, interaction rate. You can even click on the advanced filters and get a ton of different other filters that you can really narrow down, so that way you're getting the best possible ads. So you can scroll through and find all the top advertisements on the TikTok ads platform. And also they just added a Facebook Ad Spy tool as well. This is brand new, and it's literally the exact same thing, but for the Facebook ads platform. So again, you can mess with the filters and then scroll through and find high performing Facebook ads. So if you're looking for a reliable supplier, you can check out AutoDS. I have an extended free trial, so you can try it out completely risk-free. If you're interested, just go down to the link in the description. All right, you guys, so hopping into product number 2. Now this product right here is actually on my product research sheet. I found this product just scrolling through TikTok one night, so I hope you guys do appreciate that. This is one that I was actually going to test. So this product right here is a puzzle maker machine. Literally, that's all it is. So you can take a piece of paper or cardboard, construction paper, whatever you want, probably something more tough. You put it in the machine and it'll make it into a puzzle. So as you can see right here, like this is the shape of an actual puzzle. This product has 23 sold, only 3 reviews, but this product is going crazy on TikTok, going super viral literally right now this month. And it's definitely a product that I would, check out if I were you. So let me show you guys the video ad so that way you can get a gist of what this product actually is. So as you can see, people are posting about this product literally like just a few days ago, maybe a week ago or so. And it's getting some views, 10,000 views, 33,000 views, 121,000 views. This is like the main competitor that I found. And they just kind of started making this, doing videos for this product. 3.9 million views, 1.1 million views. That's exactly what you're looking for. And this is a product that you can hop on early. So this is the video ad right here. POV, you found the perfect anniversary gift. And it's literally just a guy making a puzzle with a photo of him and his girlfriend. And you can make so many cool ads, and this is a product that's literally made for TikTok. And here's just the competitor, so that way you can see it on someone's site. Again, this website isn't the greatest, but it is what it is. As you can see, they literally just have the TikTok as a GIF. I don't recommend that you do that. I don't think you should have any text on your GIFs. But anyways, they have some, some description, I guess you can say. They have no reviews, but again, you can come in here and make this 20 times better. But I know for a fact that this is a product that not only would work good, I believe, on ads, but also for organic as well. All right, so product number 3 is actually something that I want because it's pretty cool, okay? So this is the portable ultrasonic fruit and vegetable washer. So pretty much what you do is you just put this device into water with your fruits, and then once you turn it on, I guess if you let it sit, it just does something that takes off all the debris and dirt and whatnot that's on your fruits when they're coming from the grocery store. Obviously, they're not gonna be fully clean, okay? So this is a huge problem-solving product, and there are a ton of high-quality images here. And the reason why I put this product on today's list is because this is a product that you can have a full-fledged brand with. Like, this is a product you can sell year-round, I believe, okay? And as you can see here, it also works on meats as well, which I didn't know that, which is also pretty cool and another marketing angle that you can use for this product. So you're gonna get the product for $12.77. I'm not sure why it says that, because I'm pretty sure it's a little bit more than that. But anyways, this product has a high perceived value, so you can definitely sell it for, $40, $50, $60, $70 even. And I believe that people would pay for this. So also it comes in multiple different colors. So it comes in green, it comes in blue, and it also comes in this like white color as well. So I found a random video on TikTok for this product, just so that way you can get a gist of what this does. So as you can see, again, you turn on the device, you put it in there, and then over time, it actually cleans the meat, or it cleans the fruits and vegetables, as you can see right here, which is actually pretty disgusting if you think about it. So again, this is a huge problem-solving product, and definitely something that you can make some very visually appealing TikTok ads. And then we're hopping into the competitor, and wow, we actually found a great competitor that's selling this product fairly well. Like, this product page is pretty damn on point, okay? So this is a company called Vitaline. They're obviously a drop shipper of some sort. I really like this scrolling bar here on the top. As you can see, they're calling this product the Vitaline Food Purifier. They have a bundle and save here, so you buy one, you get it for $44.99. Buy two, which is the most popular, you get it for $80. And like I said, this product is just super brandable. I love how they have this 30-day money-back guarantee. They probably just threw this right into Canva. That's how you can really separate yourself. Like, maybe you don't have custom images from the get-go, but you can take photos from AliExpress, throw them into Canva, and then make them more custom like this. I really love that they did that. And as you scroll down, they just explain, you know, the benefits of the product. Your fruits and veggies are dirty. Like, that's their angle that they're taking, which is pretty smart. You want to get into that pain point of, hey, you know, your fruits and vegetables are dirty. You shouldn't be eating them. Make sure you use our device, right? Something along the lines of that. So fantastic product page. They end the product page with reviews. I love this. So this is definitely something that you can model your store after and really get some inspiration. Now, hopping into product number 4. Now, product number 4 is really cool, and it's something that I wish I had as a kid because it would make my life so much easier. So it's this automatic laying domino train. Okay, so pretty much what it does is you just load the dominoes into the chamber right here, and then as the train moves, it disperses the dominoes, making it so much easier than having to do it one by one. Now, there's a bunch of images that you can go ahead and use on your site. I wouldn't recommend using any of these. These are kind of terrible, but you can find some on other listings. As you can see from the bottom, there's different bundles. So there's a 63-piece bundle. I'm not sure why the other bundles aren't on there, but there's also like 120 and I believe 300 pieces. And by pieces, I mean the actual dominoes. So the way you're really going to be able to capitalize on this product, in my opinion, is by offering the 63-piece as your initial offer, but then offering as your most popular bundle the 300 pieces, and then only increase the price by maybe like $10. So that way your customers are like, I'm going to go with the 300 piece because it just makes more sense. It's only $10 more, making your average order value that much higher. All right, so here's the video for this product. This video actually has over 1 million views. It has 110,000 likes, 800 comments, 12,000 saves. And I know that the video was posted at the beginning of this year, but people are still commenting on this video to this day. As you can see, there's a comment here from June 15th. So you just stack up the dominoes here, put it into the train, and then the train just disperses the dominoes. So what I would do with my TikTok ads is I would make sure that I have a video like this at the very beginning, because this is what's going to draw your customer to want to continue to watch your ad and eventually go to your website and purchase, because this is the highlight of the product right here. So yeah, this is definitely cool. Let's go ahead and check out the competitor's site. So the competitor's site is, again, super basic, but again, you'll be able to see a gist of what the product will look like, you know, when you start selling it. So they have a bunch of the AliExpress images here. The description's all over the place, but again, you can still get some inspiration and see like how they're trying to sell the product. Go down to the bottom, they have this often bought together, so it looks like they run like a baby niche store. They have no reviews, which is not good. But again, you can still take some inspiration from this, find out how you can really make this better. And this is definitely a product that I would look into. Again, I would focus a lot on the bundles, because the bundles is how you're going to make a lot more money with this type of product. All right, so if you've made it to this point in the video, I just want to say thank you. I greatly appreciate it. But secondly, I actually just found this product live on the spot. I'm in the process of doing some product research, and I thought I'd go ahead and add this product to the video. So this product right here is something I haven't seen yet. It's a 2-in-1 hot and cold, like it goes in the cup holder of your car. Okay, so you put this into the cup holder, and then you can heat your drink and you can also cool it as well. So it's 2-in-1. There's a bunch of high quality images here. This is a product that really, I don't know. I checked AliExpress. It doesn't seem like many of them have any sales. So maybe this is a new product. I'm not sure. But if you come over to the company that I just found, it's called Smart Cup. They do a great job on their ads. And the ad I'm about to show you has 9 million views, and it was just posted. Let me go ahead and mute this. But if you just check, it's 6/20. What's today's date? Today is the 2nd. So it's been a week or so, right? This product has 9 million views, or this video has 9 million views. So let's check it out. So as you can see, they're doing like the prototype versus the actual product. They put ice in there, and then they show the product. That's the cup. You put it inside your cup holder and you can cool your drink. And then they also show a coffee mug that's also getting heated as well. This video crushed. 100,000 likes, 1,400 comments, 29,000 saves, and over 9 million views. I mean, just peep the comments. Sold, how do I get one? Where to buy, that's so cool, it's a good price. I mean, there's so much buying intent for this product. Hopping right into their website, they have a ton of images that we already saw on AliExpress. They're all pretty much the same exact ones. They're calling this the Smart Cup Heating and Cooling Car Cup Holder, and they're selling it for $44.99, and they can easily charge that much because this product does have a high perceived value. It's electronic. And if we go back to the AliExpress listing, we should be getting this product from anywhere between $23.46 to $25.95. So we'll have a healthy margin. And if you scroll down, their product description is not that great, but again, they got 9 million views, so at least they're taking action and they're not spending too much time on their website. But again, this product description is not that great. They have the gift from their 9 million view video, as you can see here, heating the coffee and also cooling the can of Coke. Then they have an FAQ page. They have no reviews down here. So again, you can prove on this product easily. This is definitely something that you can make into a full-fledged brand if it actually works the way it does. Sometimes when I want to sell electronic products, I'll actually order the product in first because I get a little nervous sometimes testing a product I haven't actually tried myself, because you can get a ton of chargebacks with this. So that's my opinion before you test something like this, is make sure that you actually order the product in and try it out for yourself. Alright you guys, so that's going to do it for the video. I hope that you took some value from this and that you found some products that you're actually going to go and test. Anyways, I hope you guys have a good rest of your day or night whenever you're watching this. And yeah, I hope you guys have a good one, and I'll see you guys next time.